Welcome you all to the Civil Action Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly seeing the job information regarding civil engineering stream. By that you are gaining some information regarding the job vacancies through all over the India. In this video we are going to inform you about the vacancy which has came from SPML Infra. So it is a private company. So in this what are the job positions are available and what is the eligibility, these things are going to be discussed. So before going on to the matter, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button which is at the bottom, so that you can get informations and the lectures which are being posted in our channel regularly, so you will get the updates. So now we move on to the job information. So we will go to the official website of this company. So this was their website, and in this first you need to know what the company has been functioning. So it is going on the activities of developing infrastructure and environmental works like that. So these are being listed out here, and also the energies. So based on these, the structures, infrastructural development activities been carrying out. In this we straightly move on to the careers section. So in careers you need to click on the available position. So you will go through with this vacancies which are being currently available in this company. So you can see for civil engineer there is also a multiple number of vacancies. So this is engineering civil. So if you click on this, so the page will be open like this. So you can see that on the Department of Project Execution you are having the vacancy for civil engineers. So you need to have a knowledge in construction regarding pump house. That is the work which is carried in the plumbing line. So like that you need to have a experience, and QA QC work and the report preparation. You should know how the things are being done. So you need to have enough knowledge, and billing of subcontractors. So these are the skills they are required for this job, and if you are eligible and you are willing, you can click the apply for this job. By that you can fill the details, and you can do, and finally you can apply for this job. And similarly there are other vacancies also being listed out. So if you click on the second page, you can see that for electrical also you have some vacancies. So you can refer this job for your friend. So it is with a different location. For engineering civil it is with a different location, and for this also it is on a different location. And then we have came through some social media that this company has been posted about the job vacancy. So the post we will see, because in that multiple vacancies are been listed out. So you can see that assistant general manager, and then manager, assistant manager, engineering engineer, and then senior engineer, senior supervisor, and then engineer civil. So this only we have seen, and then engineer electrical. So for every job position you can come and check through their website. You can come and check through in their website. So by that only you need to apply for this job. So these are the vacancies which are being in the SPML engineering life company. I think this information would be useful for you. So next, after this, you are going to see another vacancy. So that is came up with some other private firm. So that is SCC Infrastructure Private Limited. So in this they have multiple vacancies in safety officer, planning engineer, building engineer, surveyor, and civil engineers. So for all the position they need the minimum experience of 5+ years. For the safety officer, you can be with any stream. Either it is not only they need in civil, you can be in other streams also, but with the diploma in industrial safety is must. Okay, so that is the main thing you need to watch out here. And the location, working location, is going to be Odisha for all the job positions. So for planning engineer, BE or ME in civil, and building engineer, diploma or BE or ME in civil, and surveyor, diploma BTech or BE in civil, civil engineers, diploma BTech, MTech, civil. So for every job position, you are going to be worked in the zone of Odisha. So those who are eligible and those who are interested to this job, so you can directly send your CV to the careers at secinfrastructure.com, or you can call Mr. Devendra, who is going to be the HR of this private company. So you can contact him and you can verify it, and then you can go ahead with the process whichever you wanted. So the immediate joiners only are preferred here. So this is also a major thing. Please make a note of it. So these two informations are being seen in this video. I think this both the information is somewhat give you a very good number of vacancies or a good number of positions which you are thinking about. I think this might be useful for you. If not, or in how way I need to improve in making videos, please leave the things in comment, so that I can come up with some more good things. So thank you. We will catch up in next video.